Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Harrison Repairs program, I guess, or I don't know what you call it, show a program. But anyway, today we're going to be replacing a watch battery in my woman's watch. And I decided to take this time, and I was able to do it while I usually take a break, or now I'm taking a break in the summer because of my air conditioner, but because of the weather is not good today, we won't have to have it on, so I decided it needed to be done, so I'm going to do this little video today on this. Quick reminder, just please comment, subscribe, leave a like on the video. I hope you enjoy this. Another reminder, please, when you do any type of repair, I shouldn't have to say this, but think of safety and think of the proper equipment you need to do it. And that's always on you, and as well as on me. But I hope you enjoy it. I'll be showing you a few of the tools I use to do this repair. So I guess you can go ahead and do it. And I do it with a Walmart watch, because my woman figured out that the watches at Walmart, when we buy them, they keep running, and so she doesn't like that idea because they used to not be running, and she feels like it's a way to get you to buy more watches. But if you know how to repair the battery, it's not a big deal. And I know how to repair the battery, so I just pop it off, put a new battery in it, and close the lid, and she's off and running. So anyway, I think it's important. I hope you enjoy the video, and I'll see you soon. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm ready to do a battery change in this watch. I decided to do a repair video today to repair, and it's not really a repair, okay? It's not like something's broken. I need to actually do. I'm doing a full repair, which I'm not. I'm just replacing a battery. So there you go. All right, all right. So here we go. I have the watch, and I have this kit. Now I got this kit later on once I started replacing batteries in watches, especially my woman's watch, especially or watches that come from Walmart. They kind of would like you to go and continue buying watches when the batteries are actually in some cases cheaper, and especially where I get them. But this is the company I got. There's quite a few that have similar ideas, or that pretty much have the same but different names, and so you got to sift. It's not hard to find one. For me, just having a good toolkit for watch repair. I used to use another kit that I would use this kit, this tool, and this I just got at Walmart. It's the Hyper Tough 77-piece electronic repair kit. There is stuff. There is a head in here that's flat enough that you can use. It's over in this section, probably more likely. I think it's in this section. That was able to go underneath and pop it. But I realized that was better to actually have a kit to do it instead of using this. Now I got this out just kind of to show you. I should probably go through some kits. I think everybody should have certain things that they can fix themselves. Basic tools. You don't need a ton of crazy stuff. You're not a carpenter. You're not, unless you are. If you are, that's great. You build houses, that's fine. But most people don't need carpenter style tools. Now, I also have something else with me. I'm going to put this off to the side a little bit. This is cool. This is basically a battery organizer. We were finding out that we need batteries for stuff, and I was always wanting a way to organize the batteries, but I never could, and I just kind of put it off for some reason. I don't know why. I guess I forgot about it, and all of a sudden one day this popped at me at Walmart. It was as seen on TV section, and I went, I gotta have it, so I bought it. It wasn't too bad. So yes, I'm gonna be pulling the battery out of here. Now you can get batteries. I tend to get batteries at the dollar store. They're not too bad. They do work. Some will last longer than others. It kind of varies. You just kind of play with it. You get it in, and then if it doesn't, they're not expensive. They're actually cheap. So that's why I say batteries are pretty cheap. So I'm gonna pull the battery out of here. Now this is a cool box, by the way. Yeah, and it also has a battery checker. That's what's nice about it too. So here's my little here's a little battery. They're very small. Let's see if I can put it in my hand. See if it will even focus. This camera's not that good at close-ups focusing, so it does HD stuff, but it's really not that good at serious focusing. So I'm sorry if you can't. I mean, it's a small battery. What do you expect on a watch? So here's that. Now I'm gonna open up the kit. Here's the watch. Now I'm gonna open up the kit. All right, let's see here. See what the tool is? Okay. Now this is why I got this partly. Now I could. This is gonna be easy for me, but I could do other things. But here, okay. So this is the tool that I need. The flat. See, that's that tip. Okay. Now I could put it on a device and stuff, but it's not hard just to. Okay, so now you have to pop this open. You have to find the edge, but I know where the edge is on this one. So there you go. See, easy pop. I pull the top off, so I pull the top off. I gotta be careful, but I pull it off. Here we go. I pull the old battery out. Come on, be careful. There you go. Put the new battery in. Sorry, my fingers. Wait, there you go. There's the place where you put the new battery in. It's kind of different. There you go. Pop it in. Pop this thing back on, because it hopefully holds the battery in. Come on, let's go in. You gotta be gentle with these things, because sometimes, yeah, you just don't. You want to break, these faces aren't that strong, so you don't want to break anything in there if you can avoid it. You gotta be sort of gentle, and then you pop it, and you hear a snap. You make sure it snaps all around. There you go. See, it's glaring, but I can see the hand moving right there. Let's see if well, this camera's not great at focusing. I would love to get a camera that would do smaller things like this so that I can actually point this out better. But I'm gonna do the best I can with what I have. That's the goal. Yeah, there you go. It's going around. You can kind of tell. I'm hoping you can see. I could see it right now, even through the camera, because that's what I'm looking through. But I can see better without, obviously. But yeah, it is moving. Let's see, can we get to a point where maybe it shines right? There you go. See, there you go. There it is. There it's moving. And yeah, there you go. That's the tool. I was going to set this all up, but I was glad just to use this tool. That's pretty much why I got it, because it came with. You would probably get just this tool. If you find just this tool, I don't even know what it's called, to be honest. I really don't. Here, let's see. Let's see what the manual says. See if I can find it real quick. Okay, so there you go. There's all these tools. Let's see. Does the manual call it something? Okay, it's number 15. Let's see what number 15 says. A pry knife. Okay, so it does call it a pry knife. So that's cool to know that. 15 is a pry knife. So look up pry knife. Okay, and there's only one of them, which fine, whatever, it comes with the kit. And you probably could just do that. But I got the kit because it does a few other things. It has some extra tools with it that is kind of cool, and I personally think is valuable for stuff. So I personally got the kit. I probably could have just got the pry knife, because that's what I pretty much use to replace batteries. I just pry it open. You just need something flat enough and that can get under there to pry it open. And I have it in the toolkit, but I realized it was a little bit. You gotta be careful. It can be a little sloppy. So this pry knife, actually, I'm really impressed with it. The first time I used it, this pry knife is almost better than what I used in that toolkit to do it. I think they designed it to do just this. So I think if you were to just get a pry knife, just if you're just replacing batteries, fine. I think they would do great for you. You know, order off Amazon, maybe look for one somewhere. See if you can find one that's like this. It has a nice cover. I like that. It keeps it so you don't hurt yourself or anything. Use safety if you can. I always shouldn't have to say that, but that's what I'm saying right now. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed this basic repair. I think everybody should have an idea of a basic repair the best they can. I don't know, maybe in the future I could get into more toolkits that you should try to have in your repair, and you should always be developing and growing your toolkit. You should always, hey, I need this, and keep out. I think everybody should have a basic toolkit at least. But there you go. This is all in here now. It's back in here. You don't see the letters of the company, but all right. Well, this is all zipped up. This is the company I got, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll go to a closing thought, and yeah, I'll see you next time. Hello again. I want to thank you for watching the video of watch repair, the battery, and I hope you enjoy that. I did go get my batteries from Dollar Store. You can get them from Walmart. It doesn't matter where you get them. I got them from Dollar Store. They seem to work pretty fine for me. If they don't work for you, that's fine. Go somewhere else. But I have mixed results with some batteries. Like one battery will maybe last a month, but at least but I bought a bunch of them, so it's not a big deal, and I spent a lot of money on them. Or like the last battery lasted like 3 or 4 months or so. It lasted quite a while, longer, so it can vary. But that's up to you. If you don't have a lot of money, but you're still able to repair the watch, and you need it right then and there. My mom still likes to wear watches. I just went to the Dollar Store as an emergency thing, and I bought a few of these batteries, and I didn't spend a lot of money doing it. So it's up to you what your budget is or what you want to do. Like I said in the video, buying that knife. Well, it's called pry knife. Pry knife, I believe. But buying that, if you just probably bought that or able to get something like that to pry open, you'd be all set to go just to replace batteries. I bought a whole kit. You don't have to do what I did. I bought a whole kit because I thought there's useful items in there that I may be able to use to do other stuff. But mostly what I do is repair batteries. So I just was hoping you would enjoy that and enjoy this video. But for the most part, I probably won't be filming a lot till summer. But I won't be doing a lot with repairs because there's not a lot of repairs I do. I just decided to take a few things like the like the vacuum mop. Thank you for all those views, and just did it because I felt like one, I felt like there's no videos on there, and two, it was something for me to do, and I enjoy that. So, and I did the same thing here. But there's probably a ton of videos on watch repair with even battery repair. So, but I do it because I do enjoy this, and I enjoy, filming and making videos. So until next time, whenever another repair I'm able to do, we'll see. Right now I don't have any other ideas for it, but I hope you stay tuned for next time, or till we meet after the summer when I don't have to worry about air conditioners or, that type of stuff. Because this mic is a good mic, and it likes to pick up a lot of other stuff too. So I'll see you guys next time on the show. And like I say, comment, subscribe, leave a like on the video. And God bless you and have a great day. This is a company oh